This is the start of Parent and Pal weekend through Cub Scouts. Here, Justin is in the process of raising the flag at the opening ceremony of the weekend. Oh yeah, I believe it. Up first on our agenda is archery shooting.
Justin, you gotta put the front part in your left hand. There you go.
Are you guys ready? All right, pick up your arrow, commence firing, shoot them all until you're done. Remember, white arrow out.
This side.
Up, you're on the wrong side of the
Always on the right side. Okay?
Oh, you got it.
This hand, work on top of it.
Good shot. Good first shot. Try to pull it back a little farther to your face, okay?
Okay, not so far down.
Pull it back a little farther to your face. Aim it at the yellow.
First joint.
You're aimed off the target. Turn it to your right. There, right there.
Nice shot. Do it again.
Perfect. Good job, bud.
Put your second finger down there too. This
Three fingers.
There you go. Okay. Alright.
You see how that went?
Pull it back. Elbow up. Pull back. And let go when you okay.
Good shot, Justin.
This side.
Time. We got a ball with a twist ties on it.
What do you mean with twist ties?
The zip ties.
Yeah.
Remember it had the loop?
Yeah.
That's it.
Make sure you aim
Right towards the target.
to your right a little bit.
Elbow.
Yeah, for
Pull
her.
back.
Very good shot. Almost a bullseye.
Alright. There you go.
I have to put the arrow in and you can't put that way.
Great job. Now what do you do with that?
There you go. That's perfect.
And now where do you stand?
Very good. Okay.
As long as you do everything the same.
Now put your thumb down before you fire. Whoa! You see that?
From archery, we move on to BB gun shooting. Here we are shooting at targets on a string about 10 feet away.
You know it turns, it'll turn.
Oh, that got the wood.
That was real high. That was high. Look down it, look to the sides.
Oh, no, we forgot to do is we forgot to take the safety.
There you go.
Nice.
Whoa. Shooters here? So your wife shoots too? No, but Amy's going to send me Does he have a BB gun?
Amy, you have a BB gun? Don't have a BB gun? Yeah.
Shooter, I can tell.
Yeah. Of course. No, the string is hard. You got to hit your target.
This is the kind of guy you got to keep on beating. Missed it. How come? Start to shoot. Take your time. Come. There you go.
Go ahead. You're good, bud.
Yeah, you got a good stance there. Go ahead, you're right. You're doing good. You're doing good. There you go. You go. That's your shooter. There's two shooters.
Nice shot, Justin.
I'm gonna try my left. I'm gonna see if I do any better with my left. Okay, you try.
You got it.
Yeah, no, I think I'm much better. I can't even line it without like being yeah, I'm usually I don't like this. That's the only thing I don't like about it.
You got it.
Are you gonna say
Done what's on the first afternoon activities, which was arts and crafts about bats and then learning about bats. Now the kids lining up for a picture.
Smile. Now you can do a silly face. Everyone do that bad thing.
Or just lean. Alright, one minute. Owl last year.
They still have the dock in. Surprised.
Go! Ready?
Go!
Pat!
Mosquito! Mosquito! Mosquito!
No.
I'm a moth.
Pat!
Trees.
Pat! You guys aren't saying it! Pat! Mosquito! Pat! Pat! Mosquito! Mosquito!
Tree! Tree!
Pat!
Mosquito!
Pat!
Tree, tree, tree.
Well, one more for me.
have to stop.
I feel like a bad wing this.
Here we go.
Ready? Oh, you got me. Got yous. Ready?
That was pretty good.
Hey, there's no fish in there.
This looks like a good spot.
Hey, I said there's no fish in there. Guys, look around. It's an ice skating rink.
Is a repeat after me song.
Our song is a repeat after me song.
And I'm going to need you to stand up.
Stand up, everybody stand up.
The other day, I met a bear. A great big bear. Oh, way out there. The other day, a great big bear. Oh, way out there. He looked at me. I looked at him. He sized up me. I sized up him. He looked at me. I looked at him. He sized up me. I sized up him. He said to me, why don't you run? I see you ain't got any gun. He said to me, why don't you run? I see you ain't got any gun. And so I ran away from there. But right behind me was that bear. And so I ran away from there. But right behind me was that bear. In front of me, there was a tree. A great big tree. Oh, glory me! In front of me, there was a tree. A great big tree. Oh, glory me! The lowest branch was 10 feet high. And so I thought I'd jump. And trust my luck. The lowest branch was 10 feet high. So I thought I'd jump and trust my luck. And so I jumped into the air. But I missed that branch. Oh, way up there. And so I jumped into the air. But I missed that branch. Oh, way up there. Now don't you fret. And don't you frown. I caught that branch. On the way back down. But now don't you fret and don't you frown. I caught that branch on the way back down. This is the end. There ain't no more. Unless I see that bear once more. This is the end. There ain't no more. Unless I see that bear once more.
That was fantastic.
Oh my God.
We're gonna change this if you're a camper. You guys are toughing it out tonight.